thanks for tuning in. Today we're just going to have a look at the designing and printing of TPU shock absorber rubbers. We're going to run these on my old girl, the Nissan GU Patrol. If you like this sort of thing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. There's more to follow. Here we go, super simple shocky rubber. Just 30 millimeters across, appropriate inner diameter, and a little alignment tab up top. This is on Fusion 360 and this is for my own personal use. We'll transfer that now over to Cura and we'll slice it up and get it ready for a print. This is the Mark II shocky rubber. This has the alignment tab on top, which goes into the upper retaining washer or the aligning washer, and we're printing this in TPU. It'll just be clear TPU and it will be normal speeds. Doesn't have to look pretty, so I'm going to run this at around 40 millimeters a second. Won't take that long to cook up. We'll just give it a slice and see how we go. It's 40 minutes for one, and we'll give that a crack. Alright, here we go. So these are the Mambo thong. They lasted about, well, they're still going strong now, but they've been in there for about 3,000 kilometers, but obviously they can't last forever. So this one here is a 3D printed bush. It's made out of TPU 100% infill. We'll see how this one goes, but it's quite possible it's going to be a little bit stiff and it might fold that washer back on itself, and if it does, well, it does. Seen a bolt any nut anywhere? There we go. Alright, so I made a couple of different sorts. These ones here, so they were made to go on that way and they were going to centralize on the bolt itself, and then these ones here that centralize up inside the recess of the upper washer. So I've opted to go for this one because it just about fits in, and I reckon once I put a bit of pressure it'll slide in and it'll form a barrier between the shocky bolt and the mounting hole. We'll get a close up in a sec. Big boy up. That'll do him. So that's him. I've got about 5,000k trip coming up, and I'll be able to keep a good eye on that, so I'll take a couple sparesies just in case. If this one lasts, this one works well, then I'll probably print a full set, put a set in the other side as well. But that is, as these are on the rebound, it's not a great deal of miss or unbalance that's going to cause. Anyway, there'll be another video later on with a bit of an update at some point. If it's still there when I get back from 5,000 Ks, then I'll show you it then, and if it fails between now and then, I'll cop a quick video then. Righto, hey Rick.